everybody. So it is 7:30 in the morning. My back hurts like crazy. My neck hurts. I don't know what's going on. This has just been hurting for like the last 2-3 weeks. I need to go do something about it. I gotta just sit and relax and put a heating pad on, but I don't know what sitting and relaxing is. I honestly don't get time for that. But last night was a rough night. I finally went to bed around 11:30 because I wanted to stay up to see my CVS thing, because that usually pops up at my time at it's like a weird red bug. That pops up at 11 o'clock my time, so I can see what like CRTs I'll be getting, so I can kind of figure out my deals ahead of time. And then I laid down and fell asleep, and then at like 12:30 Charlotte woke up and she did not want to go back to sleep, and I crawl back into bed. I have her laying with me because I was just gonna have her lay with me until she fell asleep. And then all of a sudden I hear something, because Graham was still at work. Graham was still at work until 1 o'clock in the morning, and I hear this like noise like somebody's coming at you, and I'm like, oh crap, what was that? I'm like, oh, it has to be Benjamin. Well, Benjamin gets scared. He thinks there's monsters, and we're trying to, I was explaining to him yesterday about monsters. I'm like, Benjamin, monsters aren't real. They're just a cartoon. I says, you don't see people fly. That's just a cartoon. And you don't see, you don't see animals talk. That's just a cartoon. But he was a little scared. He's up right now. But he was up, and then he stayed up until Daddy got home, and then Graham got home, and then, they were fine. And then I can't sleep very well. It's just because of my back. I used to be a stomach sleeper. I used to love sleeping on my stomach. But from having kids, I don't like sleeping on my stomach anymore. I don't know what it is, but I just don't like sleeping on my stomach anymore. I find it very uncomfortable. But I was a hardcore stomach sleeper. I was a hardcore laying on my left side and then stomach sleeper. But hi, Benny Pooh. I see you. So yeah, so it is 7:32. I just got done filming my coupons to print video, so I'm doing that, gonna post that, and then I'm gonna have some breakfast and get dressed. I'm hoping to be out of here by 8:30, hopefully. We'll see, we will see, but that is how my morning is going. But I'm hoping, I don't have any other stores to go to today, so I'm just going to Walgreens and CVS, so Ben has clothes on. I'm hoping just to get in and get out and hopefully get my videos posted. I told Grandma I want to get some stuff done today, so you look tired. Are you tired?
No, I don't want to sleep.
You don't want to sleep? Okay, he doesn't want to sleep. So I will catch you guys back in a bit when I'm probably out the door, and you guys, hey guys, so it is now 9:02 and I'm finally getting out the door. Graham says, last night he told me just wake me up whenever. Wake me up whenever, so I was nice and I let him sleep until like 8:30, 8:15. And he's like, I'm tired. I'm like, I understand that, Graham, but it's like, he gets to sleep in all the time. All the time I let him sleep in. This is the one day where I just want to get out and get going. Like, this is my day, you guys. So, now, I am leaving. I'm gonna go to Walgreens and CVS. Funny thing is, I get one newspaper. And my newspaper got doubles of Retail Me Not. I'm like, yes. But usually when I get awesome like that, when I get doubles of Retail Me Not, I don't get a Smart Source. So it's like, I have no idea what I got at my Smart Source. Most of my deals I'm gonna do anyways without coupons. I'm gonna do mostly digital deals, but it's like, I wanna know what coupons I missed. So when I go to Walgreens, sorry, I'm backing up. When I go to Walgreens, I'm gonna check out the newspaper and see what I missed out. Because if it's nothing, it's not a big deal. But newspapers are $5 in my area. It's crazy. So I will catch you guys back in a bit. Let's go. Hey guys, so it's like 12:17 right now. I did spend a lot of time in Walgreens, so that's what's taking me long. But I'm just gonna do my CVS video and then get home. I kind of wanted to get something to eat, but I forgot we have lots of pizza at home, so we're gonna eat some pizza when I get home. Hopefully get all these videos up by 2 o'clock. We will see, because I can't just get done. That's why these videos don't get done, because I got kids. So I'm gonna film this and I will catch you guys back in a little bit. So I don't even know what time it is. It is 4 something. Like I told you, I wanted to get this all done by 2, but okay, it's 3:40. So didn't get it stuff done, but by the time I wanted to. I feel so weird wearing makeup. Like, it makes a huge difference. But it is 3:40. I am now finally uploading my CVS video. I have to clean up like crazy. But tomorrow, tomorrow and Tuesday are like the day I know that I'm gonna do like a lot of cleaning. It's just today I just want to relax. But I don't know, I'm just kind of having a stressful day at home. Graham went to go take a nap, and it's like, okay, that's fine with me. But this place is a freaking disaster. And he's like, well, you need to do, you know, more work around the house. And I'm like, Graham, I do the same stuff every day. I pick up after the kids multiple times a day. If I could work on other stuff, I totally would. But I'm sick of picking up the same stuff every single day. It's the same stuff. And it's not the toys, it's just crap everywhere. So it's like, he just doesn't understand that I pick up constantly. I even talk about it in my vlogs, which he doesn't watch lately. But it's like, I pick up all the time. And I don't always mention it in my videos, but it's like, this mess is still here, you guys. Like, he dug it all out and hasn't touched it. And that's Graham that is doing that. So he's like, you need to get rid of this, you need to get rid of that off the countertop. I'm like, well, Graham, you got a dish, a bowl, a cup, an empty can, and some garbage sitting. Benjamin, don't do that.
The baby.
Sitting at the kitchen table that's been there since breakfast. So don't sit there and tell me that I have to do stuff when you can't even put dishes away. I love them. There's more good things about them than negative things, but it's just like, so. My camera's about to die, so I'm going to finish my CVS video, and I'll catch you guys back up in a bit when I get some stuff picked up. What is on your face? What did you do, Mrs.? And mine. Benjamin, tell everybody what you did today.
I ate grape.
He ate a grape, you guys, and he survived. And we said if he ate 2, he could get a dilly bar at Dairy Queen. So he ate 2 grapes without fighting. Graham's eating a Oreo cheesecake blizzard. I tried the animal cookie one. It's okay. I mean, I'll finish it. Would I get it again? Probably not. Or if I did, I'd get a small one. Do you like yours, Graham?
It's very good, but I wouldn't get it again.
Yeah.
I want to try something new.
Yeah. So we're gonna enjoy our ice cream, and Charlotte's got a messy face. Hey you guys, so it is, I don't even know what time it is. I'm hanging out in Ben's room right now because I need to clean his room. Because my mom's coming down on 2 days, and I just ran up the stairs. But she's staying in this room, and I've been throwing clothes around because I'm trying to get rid of Ben's clothes that doesn't fit him. But it's really hot in here all of a sudden. But I just bought these curtains on Amazon. I might get a different rod, but right now I'm not. But I just bought these curtains on Amazon because I wanted some room darkening shades. Now I was trying to find some. They had ones with grommets in it. And then right as I was about to purchase them, I found ones that don't have the grommets in it. It's just curtain rods, which is what I exactly wanted. So I just put on one window. And you guys, I can see the light very little because the window's open because of the shade. But I'm going to show you guys the difference. I think I paid like 20 bucks a pair for these. And I bought 2 of them. So I feel very... I mean, it was really hard trying to figure out a color to go in his room. But I picked out navy blue because he's got like a teal walls. And I thought navy blue would be fine. You know, it's a boy color. But let me show you guys like what it looks like with the room darkening and without the room darkening. Okay, so here is the room. I mean, you guys can see the light more in the camera than you can in real life. But I mean, here is the blinds shut. That's what the blinds open. And that's what Ben's looks like right now. That's how much light comes in here in the morning. But I mean, this is awesome. So awesome. So I'm going to turn this one on, or put this one on right now and see if there's a difference. Okay guys, so it makes a huge difference. My mom just loves the pure darkness, so if I have to, I can just put like a towel on top of that. But the camera, looking at it through the camera, you guys, it's so bright in here, but it's not. It's like half of that light. It's kind of crazy how this camera is so powerful. But I think It's perfect, you guys. Perfect. It works so well. The light you can see is because I have the shades underneath open, but it just is perfect. I love it. I love it. Best $40 I spent using my Fetch Rewards money. So now I'm going to give the kids a bath because they both really need a bath. So you guys, it's just almost 9 o'clock. Last time I looked at the clock it was like 8:45. I think it's like probably 8:55. I don't know. We're getting the kids ready for bed. Here comes Mr. Benman.
I did bring in Jordan. No.
No, don't. He loves the neighbors so much that he bought
I like to draw a chalk with Jordan. I love Jordan.
Yeah. So today was a good day, you guys. I
had grounded.
Yeah, Ben got grounded. So, he drew on something that he wasn't supposed to, but
I got
punished.
2 grounded.
Okay, can you shut the screen? I don't want the bugs in.
Okay.
Thank you. So he got in trouble today for drawing on the chair, but I said if you can eat some grapes, because he's such the pickiest eater, you guys.
And I ate grapes, and I want the Dairy Queen.
Can you just let me explain?
Popsicle.
Thank you. So he's really picky, and I'm like, you eat these grapes, and we'll go, because Graham and I wanted to go to Dairy Queen, and we're like, if you can eat these grapes, you'll not be in trouble, and you know, we'll go get a treat, because we're really trying to get him to eat more fruits and vegetables.
After I was eating the grapes, I cried.
Yeah, he was cried, but guess what? You liked them, didn't you?
Mm-mm.
Yes, you did.
Mm-mm.
Yep, you ate them.
No, I didn't. Welcome to Benjamin B. Bobby.
Yeah, he's just showing off, but he did eat the grapes and he did enjoy them. But yeah, we went to Dairy Queen for a little treat because everybody just wanted to get out of the house. So, Benjamin, that's disgusting. Get away, please. It's gross. So now I've said, like I said, the kids I came out here to relax and the kids are just wild. But anyways, I have a couple videos that I need to film after I film this so I can post them tomorrow. I'm trying to get more, you know, info. Sorry, Ben, it's just kind of annoying right now. I'm trying to get him to settle down. But I have, there's an airplane flying over. I have a couple, oh, she's crying now. But I have a couple videos that I need to post, more informational videos that I'm hoping to post tomorrow. I cleaned up, what did I clean up? Oh, our living room is clean, you guys. Like, we cleaned it all on the floor, we vacuumed. I gotta pick up the kitchen a little bit more. The bathroom I started picking up. I gotta clean out the bedrooms tomorrow and then just vacuum the stairs, and that's it. I don't have like a lot of stuff. I gotta finish the laundry tomorrow too, but I feel like I did get a lot of stuff done. But I'm watching a movie right now, or I was watching a movie and I gotta finish it, but it was called Stay Tuned. It's with John Ritter, and I don't really know the other people, like Eugene Levy's in it. But it's a movie from like 1992, and it's where these people like get sucked in this TV, and then they gotta play these games, and they have like 24 hours to win, to survive, and then they get to go back into real life. I don't know how many years ago I saw that, but I'm like, sweet, because I've been really trying to watch movies from back, you know, when I was a little kid. So that is pretty cool, pretty excited for that. But other than that, I'm ready to just sit back and relax. The mosquitoes are flying over, so I'm gonna let you guys go. But Graham and I are gonna get the kids ready for bed, and then we're just gonna sit and watch a movie together. So I'll probably watch Stay Tuned tomorrow, which is totally fine. I'm hoping Charlotte sleeps all night long. We will see. We're gonna definitely go swimming tomorrow and get some stuff done. I have a birthday present that I have to drop off at one of our friends' house. Her birthday was the other day, and I got some presents for her a while ago. And then there's supposedly Michael's grab bags tomorrow. I don't know if my store will have them out or they'll be putting them out. I might call them and see what's going on. But I just want to get a couple of them just to get that thrill. But other than that, I will see you guys all bright and early tomorrow morning. I love this weather, you guys. This weather is perfect because it's hot outside, but it's not humid. It's just perfect where we don't need the air conditioning on. We just have the fan on and the windows open. So, hoping to sleep good, but I will see you guys all bright and early tomorrow. You have a nice day, and bye-bye.